Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate elegant wide braids. This knit is an upgraded version of the one I showed a few days ago. You can find it at this link. Here, the interlacing is between 4 loops. On the right row, we interlace 3 loops with an inclination to the right. On the wrong side, there are 3 loops with an inclination to the left. In the new extended version, the braid consists of 6 loops. The middle 4 repeats the scheme of the basic version. The whole scheme consists of 8 loops and 2 rows. To start, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 8. Add 2 loops for symmetry and 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 2. Then knit the next 6 loops, but in a new order. Knit the first. Slip the next 2 with a thread in front. Knit 1. Move it in front of the other 2. And knit them. Finally, knit the 6th through the back. Then knit the 5th through the front. Again, purl 2. Knit the first. Slip 2. Knit 1. Move it in front of the other 2, and knit 2. Finally, knit the 6th, then knit the 5th. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 2. We will knit similarly to the first row. Purl the first. Slip the next 2 with a thread at the back. Purl 1, move it behind the other 2, and purl them. Finally, purl the 6th, then purl the 5th. Again, knit 2, purl 1, slip 2, purl 1, move it behind the other 2, and purl 2. Finally, purl the 6th, then purl the 5th. Repeat these 2 similar rows until the desired length is reached. This creates an exclusive knit fabric with a distinct texture suitable for any season or yarn. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.